I hope you remember what it looked like when I first brought it home. Things have changed a little bit. That's the dining area. Yeah, there's still a few bits and pieces of tools and stuff lying around, but it's stuff that I'm still going to need. But this is the first time in a long time I've actually seen it with this much room, you know, this level of somewhat order. If you can call this order, at least I can walk in here. And the perhaps crowning glory, I don't know if you want to call it that, through to the now completed boudoir, the bedroom. This curtain I put across just to help keep light out in the mornings. And as you can see, Chai's quite happy with the place. And if you notice on the wall, they look like wood panelling. I've kept the white, but I decided I wanted to just break the side walls up a little bit. It's a vinyl, self-adhesive, removable wallpaper. It was damn fiddly, I've got to tell you, but I think it looks alright. I can't be bothered doing the back wall. I'm just going to keep that as maybe a sticker wall or something where I put all my stickers that I collect. And yeah, that little rattan thing is stuck onto the wall there and screwed onto the wall, so I can just reach out and put my phone in there or a book or whatever at night time before I go to sleep. This is the step up. Looks a bit messy. I think it was a mistake putting that black thing back stuff on there, because everything sticks to it. I mean, really everything sticks to it like bloody Velcro, but anyway, never mind. The other little foam step, I bought a jute runner, and I cut it and just glued it onto the foam, and it looks alright. It looks rough, which is actually what I wanted. I wanted to have a sort of a rustic look. That cover on the seat, on the foam there, I sewed that, but then I started having problems with my machine and thought stuff it, and this one, it's just wrapped at the moment. I have since found out what the problem probably is the way I was doing things. This is the cupboard, the little storage cube with the I'm not sure what it is, seagrass or something, baskets in there. That's just a fan I've got up there recharging. That thing just there is stuck. Hopefully it'll stay stuck. I'll put a couple of screws through it later anyway, just to make sure. I'm going to use that as a charging station come storage area. These little drawers just slide out. And yeah, this is actually finished, completely finished. The inside of the van is finished, basically. The TV stand now looks reasonably good, and it's yeah, I haven't tried it since the last time I tried it, but I'm sure it's fine. Bit of greenery, which is fake, but I'll be spreading that out. Decided to turn the fridge off because it was starting to ice up and it's not much point. I've got the doors propped open so it can't go mouldy. Yeah, I don't know if I ever showed you my CB radio. That's the base unit just here, this little thing here, it's tiny, and the microphone, which is magnetic attachment there. got a couple of different phone things, but they're only for trial. I don't think I'm really going to need them. That's my compressor, so I can pump the tyres up, let them down, whatever as necessary. I'm going to store it in here. I've got to find some way of allowing Chai to go onto this seat here when I'm driving, but without him being able to jump onto me, because that not only is it unsafe, it's highly illegal. So yeah, I have to find some way of holding him in place without him feeling like he's in a tiny cage. Otherwise he won't stop crying at me for the whole friggin' time that I'm driving. He does it in the car at least. But at least here he can go and hide. If he comes up the hallway, he can go into his little house in there. See, it looks alright in there. Or if you need, and he can get in there and use his litter tray. That light will stay on for about 6 minutes, and here's my boy. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah. Oh, hello. That's right. Yeah. He's my boy. Eh? He's my boy. You are. You're a handsome fella. You're a very handsome boy. Yeah. You are, really. Oh, I know you're getting all coy. Oh, he's my beautiful boy. Don't you bite me, cheeky. Don't you bite. No, master. Monster. Okay, so this curtain, I just put it on a regular curtain rod. It can't come off because I've got the things on the end to stop it, but it can't come off when it's driving. And I just push it right back there. Then I'll put some Velcro tabs to hold it in place, sort of midway and closer to the bottom. Like that. That's going to hold it in place. Of course that fan won't be staying there when I'm driving because it will fall off and smash to pieces, but it's only up there recharging for now because it's rechargeable, runs off 5 volts in, or you can recharge it and run it off its own batteries. I've got another fan on order, which is a clip-on fan. I can hopefully clip it onto here, even onto here, so that it blows that way. But yeah, it's finished. I'm not going to open the shower or the toilet area because there's stuff stored in there and they're messy. So there you have it. It's been so long since Chai has actually seen a clear floor that he's been able to move through freely. He's inspecting it all. That's the first time he's actually noticed, I think, that jute step. More just looking under the bed than going into. You can't get under there, puss. It's not enough room. You'll get stuck. You can't get under there, Bubba. You can go in there if you want to. And you can go in the other one. See, there's even a light on in there. Yeah, what do you think? Hey? You're not sure? I think you're sure. I think you like it. Hey? I think you like it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can go up there. That's fine. Cat hair will probably stick everywhere to it, but you know, whatever. You can actually go onto the seat here as well if you want to. And see, look, you can even get up here now too. You can even get up there. I had stuff stored on there before, didn't I? Yeah, and you couldn't even get up there. Now you can. Now I've got stuff stored on this one. It's just an old backpack bag thing. I can stuff that out the way for now. You can get on both of them. How about that? Is that alright? What do you think? You still like the other one because you get a bit more. Okay, it's going to curl up there in the sun, what's left of it.